There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
Hello my people, una welcome to my channel. Today na another type of video, makeup. E get one YouTuber wey I just dey follow since. She dey do fire, she dey do makeup. I say make I follow am, make I do wetin she do. Make I know whether I go fit do am. I never do am before, but una, if you see this girl, if you watch her video, you go like am. She sabi makeup. This one na ice pencil. You see am so? I go use am brush my eyebrow. I no even sabi wetin I dey do so, but my people, make una dey watch o. So we go draw am so. I never draw ice pencil before. The one wey I dey do before na all this kind everyday ice pencil wey be say you go just draw am. You go just dey carry your bag dey waka. But since I don dey watch this girl, this enhanced by Bev. My sister, make you no vex if I no call your name well. But since I don dey watch am, the thing come dey sweet me say make I come do something, make I show my people this kind person wey dey do this kind beautiful makeup. Abeg my people, make una go check am out o. I go put her link in the description below. I go still put am for comment section. Please o, make una go see am, because this person wey I dey tell una, she dey do fire. If you be say you be war before, like say you be war, like charcoal dey your face, if she don make am finish here, you go fine well. So this one na brush for the ice pencil. I say make I use am smooth am well. This matter e gas e be o, but make una just dey follow. Even though say I never do this kind thing before, I no even know. This one na im be concealer. Na concealer dey call am, abi na camouflage. I go use am take cover all this dot wey dey my face. I can't use am smooth the eyebrow. Now wow my people, this thing no easy o. I don dey follow this beautiful sister, enhanced by Bev. I don dey follow sis. I don dey learn small. Wetin be this one wey I do now? Wetin I do? Make una dey see o. Make una dey see. This matter you gats be o. Anyone wey I tell me mistake, make una tell me, because this matter na una. I trust una. Una wey be my people. I know say if I follow this girl, like if I follow am, they watch all the video, I know say I go sabi. But this thing what they do, so you get as e be o. See me. We go blend am o. Make una dey blend am. Make una dey watch. If you see say this girl, if he put this thing like this, you go like am. The way she take dey put herself go make you want makeup. But the way me self call dey do my own now, e be like say I never learn work. Oh, I still need to go dey watch that video again. I still need to watch am, but this one na the first time. So make una dey look. Oh, make una dey look. Maybe the one wey I go bring come next time go better pass this one. But I just dey look. But if you see say I just dey look down, make you know say me I dey look that my that beautiful YouTube artist. Now YouTube artist they call her a makeup artist. So I use this concealer now take cover this dot, all this kind dot where they dey for person face. We not even know how it take dey happen. I say make I use that black side take cover the dot. We go cover everywhere. We cannot come and care ourselves. We go cover everywhere. They see how. Okay. Make we dey do am small. This one na Mary Kay. This the color na 705. Now this one I dey use. Oh, I know even my sister there. This matter, you know, easy. I go dey watch this girl, so I need to dey watch her more, so that I go learn everything. Make she know say the thing where she dey teach, you see, they enter people head small. I go keep her description box. I go keep her channel link. I go keep her, make una go check am out. Make una tell her say na one sister wey una see for YouTube na im do the video. Make you know say my people see dey here. You see I use this concealer side, this side where see yellow. I see use a tape put for my eyes. If you see side they look down, make you know say I just dey look how. Make you know say na wetin she dey do. I just dey look. You dey see am so I dey look. So that I go see do am some more. I go see know what I did. In fact, what could I do? The men are they watch. We go see the end of this matter today. We go see her. I go use this eyeshadow. This color na which color person want color? This one na white wine. I mean a light wine. They call this one. Light though. I don't use assist so. I go put that for my eyelashes. Now this one they call eyeshadow. You see how if they see person when they make up, una they see. Hey, make I not go blind my eye oh. This matter no easy oh. So I go see use this red. Now red, I go use them. Anyhow it be today, we must do them. Go use and brush and wear. You see, I say they look I they look because make I not come go do rubbish for here. Make gonna try yo. Me na go check am. Me na see what they talk. She they do fire. The first day where I watch her, the first day where I watch her, it can't be like say she sit down with me, just they teach me. It can't be like say she sit down near me. Now I say no, this thing I need to do am. I need to do this thing. Make my people see am. Make my people see this kind person where they do this kind makeup. She they try. She they try well. Even the way she go take explain am, you go be like say the thing just the way I don't know as I want to put am. The way she go take explain am, you say go feel like to make up. Na English be that one. So this one na eyeshadow. Na eyeshadow they call this one. Now what they call them again? I mean a mascara. Anything where it be, make my take am like that, my people. So I just use that to make my eye shine small. So I go use this concealer again. I go still use the dark side. They put for my edges, you know. All these things why they do so. I don't know their name. I don't know this thing name. This thing so when you see how they use, I just buy them because as she they do all this makeup, me self go they look and I'll try to snap them picture. I go shop, I go they show them. They go say, okay, this one and this one, this one and this one. I see say she pull something for nose. So I they try to pull my own self. And so she did one. No verse no verse my sister will get this channel. Because myself, now work I they learn no. Look when I know verse say I no sabi anything. How you see her? How you see her? We go blend them. We go blend them. Blend. She they always they talk say make we blend them. So make I blend them. Blend them well. Blend them. Make it enter. She go say anything where you they do. You need to blend them. So make una blend them. This one a black or pear powder. I still know this one. This one a black or pear powder. Go use and take follow up. Go match am. It don't red though. This thing no be small matter. I give am hand. I give her hand for this thing where she did do. She go just do and finish. She go fine finish. See, and this one a brush. I go just use and smooth and well. Make it smooth well. make it smooth. I go take picture today for this makeup wey I do so. See nose. Where I come dey? Where that thing wey I put? Where I come? I don't go dey see am again. Where e dey? I think say I put something for nose. That thing wey she rub for nose just now, I put her now. My own self no come show. Now wow. Okay now, no problem. No could just do a small. This one an ice pencil. So I just want to use her now. Cause you dey see what I dey do now. Now what I want to do with that. Cause I know woman know how they take they pronounce all these makeup things. She do this kind of thing. She see eyelashes so my people I will go put and come back because I know if you come blind my eye. I don't put her. See how it be. This one a red ice pencil. I want use a tail line this my mouth. Make it enter well. Because she line mouth before she pull the stick. So make myself line my own mouth. This one now. The brown one again. The brown eye pencil. So today we go see the end of this thing today. This makeup we go see the end. Make una wait to make una just watch this video. Make una see the end. Make una tell me how I look. This one a lipstick. She use this kind of color lipstick. So me now want use the color. So make I see whether it enter. Be like say enter. Oh yeah. Like say don't they enter small. Hey. Oh yeah. This one now be wet lips. Yeah. This one are wet lips. I say make I join now. Make I see whether I go shine more. I go see use this eyeshadow. I go see choose one color like that. Make I see. This brown no now dark one. No, dark one no go come out. Man, I just put her first. You know enter. You know enter. I go use another color now. Make I use the red one. I think the red one go dey okay. Make I use her. Because she do this kind, she dey put for this side. So I say make I see try am. I put for this side too. How you see am? You see I say the red one come out. How it be? This one come out. This one I they call. What do they call this one again? No. Hey, my people. When I go tell me. What do they call this one again? No. Blush. Now blush. Now blush they call her Mabina. In fact, when I write that in the description below, when I tell me what did they call her, so me now won't put her. I will get this thing too, so I don't they use them, but only this one now they use pass. But their name I don't even know. She go put her for cheeks. She go see put her for nose. This enhance, this enhance girl. She dey try yo. This one a makeup spray. She dey put this one. I just buy this one so see my face. Hey, this one are the wig. What one wear now? See me now. I don't dey finish oh. I put gel now. Ma put gel. May for stay well. I no come out. See the matter oh. We don't dey set oh. You don't dey set oh. This matter no be small thing no. This see me now. How you see me now? How you see me now? How you see me now? I try, Shabi. I try some more. How you see me now, my people? How you see me now? See me. Hell, this girl don't teach me something, sha. this hands, I learned something well for a hand. I'm happy to learn from her. See her video, make una see am. Now she be this. When I say she fine, see her now. You see her? She go just take time. They do everything. You see the video. You see the beautiful person where they talk so. I go put her link. When I go check her. When I go check her out. You see the way she take the do am. She go dey do am small. Make una for learn. You see what she dey do. She go do am small. She go even dey tell you stop that self. She go even dey sing for you self. Make you for dey enjoy the makeup. You see, say she fine. You see. So, my people, make una no forget to like this video, come share am, come subscribe. I go see you next time.